This tune, well, somebody said we were practicing slide guitar and they said it sounded like we were killing cats, so that's where we came up with the title, The Screaming Kittens, but no kittens were harmed or injured at all during the making of the song.
And or injured.
1, 2, 3. Gypsy woman told my mother before I was born, got a boy child's coming, you son of a gun, gonna make pretty women jump and shout. If the world wanna know what's it all about, everybody knows that I'm here. Hoochie Kootchie Man, everybody knows I'm here. Got a black cat bone, got a mojo too, got John the Conqueror, gonna mess with you, gonna make you girls lead me by the hand, and the world wanna know Hoochie Kootchie Man, that I'm here. Everybody knows I'm here. Well, I'm the Hoochie Kootchie Man. Everybody knows I'm here. Say you both for good luck that you see. Got $700 and won't you dance with me? 'Cause you know that I'm here. Oh, honey, I'm here. Hoochie Kootchie Man, everybody knows I'm here. The Screaming Kittens. Thanks, you guys. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the Screaming Kittens.
We've had just an amazing week here at Hornby. I can't believe how fast it goes. And it was great to be reacquainted with so many people here again this year. And I've become buddies with a lot of these guys. We've got Les back on the guitar over there. Marc on Settimo. Brad, David, and Gary. And we've been working hard and having a great time all week. This tune, well, somebody said we were practicing slide guitar and they said it sounded like we were killing cats. So that's where we came up with the title, The Screaming Kittens. But no kittens were harmed or injured at all during the making of the song.